Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rian Ardiansa from Biology Education Department, FKIP Siliwangi University in Tasikmalaya. And I here represent my colleague to present our article with the title about development of computational thinking CT module to support pre-service teacher ability in design CT instrument. And I would like to say many thanks to the International Conference on Math and Science Education 2022 for giving me this opportunity. So now let's talk about our introduction research. Computational thinking or CT is an important basic ability that must have by students. Same with ability to read, write, and math. The application of CT in biology learning in school will be effective if it can be measured correctly through specific assessment instrument. But the problem that occurs in our school is that the question provided by the teacher do not train computational thinking skill because the questions still tend to be oriented for quantitative aspect. And in our department in biology education, FKIP Siliwangi University is designed to create biology teacher, and it must have a variety of skill to prepare them as a professional pre-service teacher. For example, they must be able to design CT instrument assessment. So one way to achieve this goal is to develop teaching material in the form of module for pre-service teacher in biology. Based on the description what I said before, this study aims to first describe the characteristic of module, second is develop a proper module, and the third is knowing the skill in design CT instrument that have been made of or by pre-service teacher. So the method that we use is R&D from Tyagarajan that consists of 4D model but without dissemination. And you can see in this flow chart, this is the stage, it consists 3 stages. And the subject of this research are pre-service teacher that majoring in biology education at FKIP Siliwangi University in 4th semester, academic year around 2021-2022, who will take part in limited trial. And the research instrument that we use was a material and linguist expert validation sheet, and the description item analysis sheet that consists around 3 aspects and 13 criteria. But I cannot explain it one by one in here. So the result and discussion, the result for each stage can be described, for example, like a first stage, define. In define, we conclude that there is no module that specifically teach about how to design CT instrument in biology. So we need a module that fit with our syllabus and fit with our basic competence in evaluation and assessment biology courses in UNSIL, or which means Universitas Siliwangi. And the module must simple, clear, and has example because our students are easy to forget and difficult to learn without example. And the second is design stage. In this stage, we try to create module that consists of cover, table of content, learning objective, material, sample case, instruction tasks, and bibliography that you can see in this figure. This is the sample of our module. And the last stage is develop. The module that have been designed are then validated by 2 validators, namely computational thinking expert and linguist expert. The result of validation by expert, both of them give very good category, which means our module are feasible or eligible to use. And after going through both validation process, the module is revised for the first time. The revised result were tested on 41 pre-service teacher in biology to see the product quality of the computational thinking assessment instrument. And you can see in that diagram for quality of CT instrument that have been made by pre-service biology teacher, the lowest percentage is construction. Construction is about the guideline score, is around 50.29%. And for all criteria, around 13 criteria, all of them have been met perfectly except for criteria number 7. It happened because some of the essay questions that have been made have inaccurate scoring guideline, is around 25%. And number 8, it because picture, table, graph, or math or other data have been presented in test is not clearly, is around 56%. So the conclusion is computational thinking module that has been developed is considered feasible to be used in learning evaluation course, and it can support the ability of pre-service teacher of biology in designing a computational thinking assessment instrument. So maybe that's all that I can present to you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I want to give a question to Mr. Rian. Mr. Rian, what is the important computer thinking in the pandemic learning?
What is the importance of computational thinking in pandemic
Yeah,
learning?
yeah.
Okay, the computational thinking is really basic ability that we have to get, yeah. Like the first indicator is like decomposition, so we have to know the structure of the problems, and the second is about the pattern recognition, that we have to know about some problem has a same pattern, so we can solve it really easily if we know about the pattern. And the third is abstraction. Abstraction is we have to know the proper and not proper to solve the problem, so we have to to separate the important things or not important things to give the solution. And the third is algorithm. So that for problem is really basic when we found every single problem in our daily life. So for not only for pandemic, before pandemic and after pandemic, we have to get that computational thinking skill. So based on that problem, I developed the module to measure about it. Maybe that's all.
Okay, clear, Mr. Rian. Thank you very much. I want to say, after determining some considering, we have chosen that the best presenter in this room is probably given to ABS number 331. Congratulations, Mr. Rian Ardiansyah. Yeah. Congratulations, Mr. Rian Ardiansyah, the best presenter to this room. Give me applause to Mr. Rian Ardiansyah.
Selamat kepada Mr. Rian